Hey, hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. If my voice sounds a little scratchy right now, it's because I was just talking on a webinar for an hour. This is also why this is coming to you a little bit later than normal. So let's take a look at these indexes. This one is the Russell, and I wanted to highlight the Russell today. Well, as I often do, you guys know this. I'm a big fan of trading the Russell futures. And really, this morning at the open, it was the only one that actually went somewhere. I shouldn't say the only one. Out of the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the Russell, those are the three that I trade. I don't trade the S&P. So this is the only one of those three that was like going in a direction. Now, yes, it had its little stalling points, etc., but like it actually went down. And just a note on the daily while we're looking at this over here on the right, we're essentially being held up by that turning line and standard line. You can see that earlier in today's session, we came down, hit it, bounced up off of there, then a teensy little bit of a gap down, worked our way lower, and still, yet again, bounced up off of there. Now, it's not looking great. So I wouldn't be surprised if this does head down lower, but we'll see. Friday could be a reversal. You never know what you're going to get these days. So show up to the markets and find out. Let's compare though to the Dow. If we cruise back on this 5-minute time frame, yes, it did go down over time for sure, but look at this mess. Like this, that's horrendous. And that's what I was trying to trade, which did not work out very well for me at all. And the NASDAQ, like there was a little bit of a move, but it kind of just got stuck. Look at that. Like, yuck. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Ugh, so much wick. Not my favorite. Now, once again, I had already turned off my stuff. I was like, oh, I'm going to prepare for my webinar, etc., do other things today. And then, then it had some great moves, but I certainly was not there for it. And just a whole lot of wick. I mean, these candles over here on the daily look horrendous. This also, we're being held up by that support of the turning line and the standard line. So once again, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we drift lower tomorrow, but I also wouldn't be surprised if we completely reverse because look at this. Red, green, red, green, red. What a mess. Anyway, I hope you did better today than I did. I wanted to let you know that the Apex 80% off sale is ending tonight. So if you want to grab more of those accounts or an account, if you don't have one yet, now would be the time to do so at 80% off. I'm also going to be doing a webinar next week on an alternative to Apex. If you have been on the Apex hamster wheel like I have of constant evals, you might want something a little different. So I'm going to put a link down below to a free webinar that I'm doing next week on what I think to be a great alternative to Apex. I'd love to see you there. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.